1993, I started my career after passing out from KMC Manipal as an orthopedic surgeon. I started my private practice in Somyaji House on Buns Hostel Road. And I realized that there is a lot of scope for healthcare, and my main intention was to provide affordable healthcare. So with this motto, I ventured into starting a hospital of my own. And it took three and a half years to build my hospital from scratch. It was a hillock in front of St. Mary's School, which was carved into a beautiful structure by none other than Mr. Dharmaraj, who was the architect of my hospital. 3.5 years later, on 15th of August 1999, my reality took wings. My dreams took wings, I would say, and we inaugurated the hospital on the Independence Day. It is indeed fortunate that I started my hospital on Independence Day, and we are going to finish 25 years on this Independence Day. It's been a long journey. However, it's been a very fruitful journey. During these 25 years, it was a very humble beginning with 50 beds to start with, and today it is 150 bed edifice in the heart of the city of Mangalore. And then 3 years to 4 years later, that is in 2003, I realized that a hospital needs a support system. A hospital needs a support system in terms of personnel, qualified, well-established, well-educated personnel. I mean, when I say personnel, I mean good people who can run the show. For example, we needed good qualified nurses, we needed X-ray technicians, we needed OT technicians, we needed laboratory technicians, etc., etc. As you know, these people are the backbone of an institution. With this in mind, I trust by the name of Indira Education Trust in the year 2003, and we started the first course in general nursing with 60 students in the first year. It was a 2-room college. One room was a classroom and the other was an office room. And from there today, we have a full-fledged institution with 16 courses, more than 1,200 students, and we have various courses in nursing, paramedical, allied, and physiotherapy. In nursing, we have general nursing, BSc nursing, post-basic nursing, and masters. In allied, we have X-ray technology, lab technology, OT technology, and dialysis. So today we have students coming from different parts of the country. We have students right up to Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nepal. So we are fortunate to cover most of the states of India, especially Kerala. As you all know, that Kerala is very famous for nursing. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you to experience and to share the success story of Indira family. Now, as far as social responsibility is concerned, we have a dialysis center which is completely taken care of by the hospital, and we give free treatment to the patients. The patients do not pay anything for their treatment. They only buy the consumables what is required for the dialysis. Rest of it is free for them. Likewise, we have beds which are available for the needy and the poor. In case any patient who is not able to pay for the bed, we provide him free bed. These are the facilities we have given for the not so people who cannot afford. I would like to end this speech, and I would like to thank each one of you for having taken your time and being here today with us. Thank you very much.
Promise doesn't make you a better person. Your promise doesn't make you a better person, and you have done it. And ladies and gentlemen, the commitment of a doctor in the year 1992, when he completed his doctorate and started practice.
Coming here today, I know how much it means to me, my family, and especially my father to see all of you here today. And since I was a child, it's funny because, as my dad just mentioned, I was also born in 1999, the same year this hospital began. So I'm as much as my dad's son as this hospital is for him. So I know it is his dream through and through, and I'm super privileged to have been able to see the growth of the hospital from day one. And I'd like to say I'm incredibly proud of my father for the things he's done, and I hope one day to strive and make an impact in the community like he has. Thank you again for coming here today.